as a word, and we like to see the actions. That certainly I myself also like to go on that national highway. Still I am not. Certainly I hope that I can move on the national highway. Still it remains a word, and what needs to be fulfilled by the government of India. And in the same month, on the 13th of September, our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji visited Manipur, and he appeals for peace in Manipur. We are very happy. We were very warm feeling in our hearts and mind that certainly peace will be coming. And we are still believing that. In that belief, we are urging here from this platform in different parts of the Manipur by the IDPs and also all of the Manipur public to let peace come back with the resettlement of all the IDPs. We are not talking about one particular community. We are talking about all the communities. Let all the communities resettle at their home places. On November 21st to 30th, Sangai festivals, that is the festival of Manipur, does held almost every year except the last 2 years because of the crisis in Manipur. And it was not that we don't love. Every Manipuri has a warm feeling of the Sangai festival in the heart, but when I'm not at home, I'm not able to sit, I'm not able to get my livelihood back again, and I'm not able to go back to my home, how I can enjoy the festival. That was the motive. Let all the peoples, all the IDPs, let all the publics of the Manipur, allow to move on the highways, let the people go back to their home, let them live in peace, let their livelihoods be sprout again. That's come back, that is very important. There is some certain kind of positive. Everyone is taking that it is not that the government does not do anything, but we like to see it. And on December 4th, there was a claim, and there was also about going back to their house at Laimaram, Waroi Singh, that has been come. Now, in the month of this December 11 and 12, our Honorable President of India came to Manipur. She also, in the mind, in the heart, appeals also about, she like to see about the Manipur that is should be moving towards the development. Here is a peace, but when here is this, that peace won't be there if we don't go back to our home. If I'm not able to go back to my home, if there is a situation the situation is this, that we are not able to go back home because of various reasons. Because when I go back home, there is no home. When I try to go back home, the place has already been, it's already been turned out in the jungles. The bushes are there. My home, that is the burn, needs to be, it has to be something, it has to be made livable. The livelihood that has been snatched away from all the IDPs, not only the IDPs, the peoples who are engaged in the transport, who are engaging in the trade, in the business, doing many other agricultural activities, small industrial activities, their livelihoods has been snatched away. That has to be bring back, give back. So give back our peace give back our home, give back our home street, give back our home so that we can go back to our home for peaceful living without going back to our home, without even a single IDP, not any particular community IDP, but all the IDPs should be allowed to go back to the home so that the peace in Manipur will come back again, and Manipur not only participating, still we shall be part of the development process of the state, development process of the nation. That is my urge by welcoming all the peoples here, the speakers, all the IDP, my family parts, all the participants. I urge from this platform to the government of India, because in Manipur in recent days, starting from the month of September, none is left. The top, the Home Minister has already become, Prime Minister has visited, and the President of India has already visited. Why there should not be peace back in Manipur? Why the home state and home should not be given back? Why the livelihood should not be given back to the people? Because all the who's and who's are present, our government of India has come. By saying this, I am welcoming back again all the peoples here. We are always here, we stay with you. Please never be think that IDPs are alone. हम IDPs के साथ हमेशा रहेंगे। सितंबर से शुरू होकर हमारा माननीय होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह जी, माननीय ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी और प्रेसिडेंट रिसेंटली दिसंबर में मणिपुर विजिट कर चुके। तो हम यही दुआ है कि हमारा जो हमसे घर छीन लिया गया, हमारा वेब लाइवलीहुड छीन लिया गया, हमारा प्रोफेशंस का छीन लिया गया, वो वापस तो अभी नहीं देगा तो कब देंगे? ये सवाल कुछ दिसंबर से हम देखना चाहते हैं हमारा वापस आ रहा है, और प्लीज ऐसे ही वापस आ जाएंगे। हम ये कह रहे हैं कि हम पार्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी के बारे में आईडीपी की बात नहीं कर रहे, हम हर आईडीपी, मणिपुर का आईडीपी के सारे बात कर रहे हैं। तो ये यहाँ से भी प्लेटफॉर्म से हर मणिपुर की जगह से ये बात हमारा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से यही बात पहुँचाना चाहता हूँ। प्लीज करिए। आज के बाद प्रेसिडेंट आने के बाद तो कौन आएंगे? सबसे जो भी जरूरी है वो आ चुके। ये कहकर मैं सबके साथ मणिपुरी मान या पुरे है बा हम लाउ सके मैं आम तो पीबियू मणिपुरी माना जय भरे, मणिपुरी माना जय भरे, मणिपुरी माना जय भरे। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Saza. It's right. The first and foremost steps of the government should be peace. After that, any steps like for developmental steps can be taken up. So thank you for addressing us very important keynotes. Matang sidi akoi lakui merija singai ayaba ma lawjaraga yamten IDP ki koi isa ma lapik liba ama ki IDP isai amatang sahi yam 10 minute ama ani dang thamjage haina yaman thamoi sokna aibire ado mayam ayaba lawiraga amtang stage somna kaukhatsage. Now I call upon the stage one of our internal displaced persons, Mr. Lempart Chananing Thiemsa. Please come on the stage.
Mayam Bukhurum Zari, I giming Lempart Chananing Thiemsa Mayam Kowi, I Churchanpur Manipur the Guinea.
Nah, itu pahit. ꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯊꯥꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯏꯌꯣ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ
ꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯒꯦꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ
ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯏꯌꯣ
ꯑꯣ ꯄꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯒꯦ
ꯏꯌꯨꯃꯥꯏ ꯀꯩ ꯎꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯛꯂꯦ ꯊꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯂꯛꯂꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯂꯛꯏ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯗꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯂꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯊꯤꯉꯝꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯉꯝꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯏꯌꯨꯝꯁꯨ ꯃꯩꯅ ꯆꯥꯈꯔꯦ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯔꯦ ꯁꯩꯗꯥꯡꯕꯅ ꯃꯄꯨ ꯑꯣꯟꯈꯔꯦ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯗꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯂꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯊꯤꯉꯝꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯉꯝꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯜꯅꯣ ꯍꯤꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯋꯥꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯨ ꯆꯣꯛꯊꯔꯦ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯤꯕꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯛꯂꯦ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯗꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯂꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ ꯏꯃꯥ
ꯂꯦꯁꯤꯅ
ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤ
ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯨꯞꯄ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯔꯣꯏ
ꯍꯥ
ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ
ꯇꯣꯐꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ
ꯊꯤꯉꯝꯂꯔꯣꯏ
ꯆꯥꯅꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯅꯦ ꯅꯪ
ꯑꯋꯥꯕ
ꯆꯍꯤ
ꯋꯥꯔꯤ
ꯌꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯑꯩ
ꯀꯥꯎꯉꯝꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯦꯟꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯄꯨꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯉꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯍꯤꯡꯂꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯥꯅꯤꯅ
ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯖꯟꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯅꯦ
ꯃꯔꯨꯞꯄ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯁ ꯂꯩ
ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯨ
ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ
ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯕꯪ ꯇꯥꯗꯣꯛꯈꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯗꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯅꯥꯏꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯊꯤꯉꯝꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯉꯝꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯝꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯝ ꯈꯣꯟ ꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯝꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯝ ꯈꯣꯟ ꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯝꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯝ ꯈꯣꯟ ꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯝꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯝ ꯈꯣꯟ
Very emotional and sweet performance. Thank you, Leparchana. Song means our houses are burned down. We want to go back to our motherland. And it's very emotional song for all the IDPs. Thank you. So, as we are starting our program now, may I call upon the first speaker of today's sit-in protest, Pabung Amrit Singh Pawa, social activist, for first speaker of today's program.
ꯅꯪ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯅꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯅꯪ
Hello.
ꯁꯤ ꯐꯣꯇꯣ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯅꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯉꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯁ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯩ ꯅꯝꯃꯣ
dun, live to.
Jantar mantar sida tenbiri ba mi pum kudeng magbog ikok no na nolop na koram jari nak mamanga angan amana jamna emotional oiba he has opened his heart madhu ta bata mitta ki pita thare. This is the voice of all of us, maybe small children, elders, everyone has got tears in their eyes. Kamna nungaite chahiye hum chahiye hum madore rakhoy ki Manipur ki lukshi jarawa Safar Tobiri was whole world Khandava me like India ki parliamentarian thing lon macha chakana yengjarure Home Minister, Prime Minister, Hojik the Honorable President of India na chal laga yengjarure what is happening in Manipur. When they go we respect them, we honor them, and they make all promises. But where are the promises? Our people, our IDPs are still homeless. Nak mamanga aina soida okay ki check paibo wi madhu ki birds bayam do. After whole day they return to their homes peacefully. But we as a human beings, we have no home. So many thousand people are homeless. It is a big thing, very big. You can see this Jantar Mantar ground. So many protesters are here today. This question that how our government is working. People, how much they are suffering. Manipur, now they feel nowhere in the country. In the tolerance, we are the highest. I have traveled not less than Honorable Prime Minister Modi all over the world. My itinerary is not less than him. I did not find such God-fearing, highly cultured people anywhere in the world. And because of our high culture, the sufferings is so much. If we are given awards like Padam Shri and all the tolerance awards will come to our people of Manipur for their such big tolerance. They are still tolerating in such conditions. No home. Just feel yourself that even one day, if you are homeless, how would you feel? यहाँ पर जो भी लोग सुन रहे हैं, मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, अगर आपको 2 दिन के लिए घर नहीं जाते हैं, आपको कैसा फील होगा? और ये मासूम लोग, भगवान को मानने वाले लोग, हाईली कल्चर्ड लोग 3 साल के करीब अपने घर नहीं लौट पाए हैं और ये सब एश्योरेंसेस सब बेकार जा रही हैं. दिस इज वेरी मच पेनफुल. मणिपुर के जो ऑफिसर्स हैं पूरे इंडिया में फैले हुए हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज से लेके बॉर्डर के डीआईजी, आईजी जो मैंने देखे हैं मिले हैं, कोस्टल गार्ड के कमांडेंट, हर जगह मणिपुर अपनी सेवा कर रहा है. उनके दिल में क्या फीलिंग आती होगी कि हमारे मासूम लोग होमलेस हैं. कितनी बड़ी बात है. Really, I have no words to express. Today IDPs are here. We understand your problem, but we are helpless on our dirty politics of the country. We cannot do anything, but we can understand your problem. Believe it, after every dark night, there is a bright day. And when that bright day will come, we have to wait for that day. We have to wait for that. घर छीने हैं, घर जले हैं, हमारे हौसले नहीं. घर छीने हैं, घर जले हैं, मगर हमारे हौसले नहीं. आंसू बहे हैं, सपने नहीं मरे. We will stand again. We will stand again. The people of Manipur, I can see. मेरे घर में जितने भी विजिटर्स आते हैं, मेरे जहाँ पर विजिट्स होते हैं, हर जगह यही चर्चा है कि मणिपुर को इंसाफ कब मिलेगा. When we are going to get the justice.
Ano,
It is a
protest
very
law.
big question. हिंदुस्तान एक बहुत बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी है. पूरी दुनिया देख रही है मणिपुर की जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, मणिपुर की जो तपस्या है, मणिपुर के जो आंसू हैं अभी तक नहीं सूखे हैं. वो किसको बोले? जब तक राष्ट्रपति आके भी बोल कर गया है, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि उसकी कम से कम वर्ड की कीमत होगी और मणिपुर को इंसाफ मिलेगा. We are really so much unhappy with tearful eyes. सबसे बड़ी बात है मीडिया, नेशनल मीडिया is not covering us. In such demonstrations at Jantar Mantar, you speak, I listen, I speak, you listen. World is not getting information. I have a suggestion for all of you. We have tools in our hands in the form of mobile. Let us utilize it. हर ग्रुप में आप इसको शेयर कीजिए. I think everyone has a group of 100 people, 200 people. I have got a group of 8 lakh people. मेरे वीडियो 8 लाख लोग देखते हैं. Let us utilize our groups to share the problems, the grievances of our people. Let us do it. Let us not depend on our national media. We cannot expect anything from them. So friends, I don't know, a time will come when we will have a separate prime minister to look after the problems of Northeast. Our state country has become very big, so it has become difficult for a prime minister to look all over the world problems for India and the entire India. One day we will have to think we should have a prime minister separate for the Northeast to look after the problems of Northeast. Who knows, anyone from our state may also get this chance. Outside Manipur, our all communities are together. We live together. We work together. Why only in Manipur we are taught to be enemies of each another? This is big question. So friends, I matam sangna lavdaroi aduga hajaninge. The time is we unite together. Gashi nida hauni hai bato. Maya matam chana la mati nungai bani. Sikma function sidi. Yam laina shin bani. It is not easy to organize such type of rallies. Permission from Mawai, arrangement of Mayam Wai, I know that I we, bottle of Tangal, and we should come in time. We have a time limit. Purin Pumlo record minute Manga Baba, Akway the Henapiro, Hana signal Laga Talakani, Chalo. So in future, when any organization like DNCC, when they organize such rallies, we should cooperate. We should cooperate by coming on time as well as contribute them something from our side to meet all the expenses. So we are proud that our people are everywhere. India, they must not be feeling happy what is happening to their families, to the people in Manipur. And I am really very sorry that within 3 years, things are not solved and our people are still suffering. And when we are suffering, let us not celebrate festivals. I am not against any festival, or Shanghai festival or any, But when we are not happy, when there is no happiness among us, why we should think of festivals? So, really, so much tolerance. I salute to the Imams of Manipur, Imams who are taking a leading role for helping our people. We should respect our Imams. Imam looks recently, Nupilan was also attended by our Honorable President. I highly appreciate. So I'm grateful to all the speakers who have come today for their time and the audience who have come to support us. So I expect next time when we have rally or protest concerning our native land, highly cultured people Manipur, we should all cooperate. I have books. I have brought with me 10 books. These are autobiographies on Manipur. It is a very
Lao nuôi dụ.
informative book, full
Câu
of
vâng à, gọi là-
challenges, and sky is the limit. To do anything in the world, these 10 books I have come to give to all of you through DMCC. And after your reading, please pass it on to others so that they can also read. It is a very inspirational book. I would appreciate